I have the discussion with so many people. How do you make Jamaica better? And I was like, I can't keep having this discussion with everybody. What can I do? So me and my naiveness in 2018 said to myself, I'm gonna film a documentary on Jamaica. The mindset that I have today is based off of a collection of my experiences, and my experiences are being an American born to Jamaican parents with a love of the culture. There's a lot of stuff that I didn't know about Jamaica until I fully went down there. I tell people the importance of investing time, but I'm kind of an extremist. I don't want to just invest time. I want to go down there and start a family. Is that for everybody? No, that may not be for everybody, but it is for me just based off of my life experiences. Because my style of investing in Jamaica might not speak to a lot of people, because a lot of people may be in a situation where they have a family and they have a life and they have certain things built and cemented here. That's why I never look at the things that I talk about or the things that I study. I'm not telling people what to do. I'm just telling people what I've been through, what I've studied, and what I've seen. So I always grew up with this perception that America was a privilege that could be taken away at any time. Tagline for Jamaica Story is Jamaicans investing in Jamaica. And it's not just about investing money. It's also about investing time. Not everybody can invest money, but all of us can invest time, because you don't have to be rich to care. It doesn't matter where you were born. If you have a Jamaican parent, you know Sunday morning you were waking up to old classical music. You were waking up to the oldies, blasting loud, cleaning the house was going on. Everybody knew that. It doesn't matter if you're in Kingston, it doesn't matter if you're in St. Mary, it doesn't matter if you're in Mississippi, New York, Florida, wherever you are.